So now we're gonna look at the inside of the van of where your solar connects. So we have our solar entry port right up here in the ceiling, and the wires are hanging down. We attach our own wires, run it through the wall, and then bring it down into wherever you're gonna be assembling your electrical cabinet. This is our most simple electrical system. Super easy, makes sense. If you haven't done an electrical system before, we'll include some schematics, some parts, and some ideas on how to build your own electrical system. Or if you want to buy one of these standalone electrical systems, we do those as well. But anyway, wires pass on through, and then your solar needs to go to an Mppt controller. We suggest an Mppt controller because it's the most efficient use of your solar power. You need one of these to clean up the power coming from your roof, so it's pretty ideal. Essentially, it's just raw power, and the voltage is way off. The amperage may be kind of wonky. So once you get that power coming into this cleans it up and puts it into your battery in the most efficient way possible, and it also puts it into your battery in a safe way. Very simple, very easy. We use the Victron Mppt controllers, and we like to use the smart one because then you can just open up your phone and use the app, and you can see the power coming in, the power usage, your history of how much power you've been putting into the van, how much power you've been using. It's pretty cool, and it's very efficient, and it really helps you learn how solar works and how much power you're actually gathering every day from solar. It's definitely an Mppt controller that I recommend, and it's, again, very easy. So there's like two little ports right here, PV, that's where your panels plug into, your positive and negative, and then on the other side you have your battery, your positive and negative. And then you also have your little ground right here. Being able to have solar in your van to keep everything healthy and topped off is great. What's really cool about the smart charge controllers from Victron is this app. You can pull this up, you can find out how many watts you're bringing in, and if you have a smart shunt as well, you can see how many amps or watts you are using. So you can see, like, a lot of the times, if you're just running a fridge and maybe a few lights, the solar panel is what is controlling and powering everything inside your van, and sometimes even giving a charge while you're using these things. So getting familiar with how your system works is ideal, so that way you don't get caught, thinking that your solar is doing all the work where in fact it's not. The Bluetooth stuff is really, really cool. It might sound a little hokey, but being able to keep an eye on your system while you're learning how a 12-volt system works is super, super helpful.